Have you heard the latest stir in crypto? Consensys CEO Joe Lubin just teased that MetaMask, the popular Ethereum wallet, is set to launch its own token called MASK soon. This news has sparked comparisons to the massive Uniswap airdrop back in 2020, where early users got free tokens worth thousands. But before you get too excited, let's look closer. Is this airdrop, that's when projects distribute free tokens to reward users, going to be life-changing, or more like pocket change? In this video, I'll break down the announcements, user stats, payout estimates, and other MetaMask updates to give you a clear picture. Stick around to see if MASK lives up to the hype. The buzz started with posts highlighting MetaMask's potential airdrop as the most anticipated since Uniswap's. One user pointed out that if you've used the swap feature in MetaMask, that's exchanging one crypto for another directly in the wallet, you might be in line for a 5-figure reward in MASK tokens. Even the official MetaMask account announced mUSD, their new USD stablecoin, is now live. This offers strong liquidity and incentives on linear, low-cost ways to convert fiat money into crypto, seamless swaps and bridges across networks, and a MetaMask card accepted by over 150 million merchants worldwide. These moves show MetaMask is expanding, making it easier for everyday users to enter and exit crypto. But not everyone is so optimistic. Simon Dedek warns that while MetaMask might allocate 10 to 20% of its token supply to users, potentially billions in value, the distribution could dilute rewards heavily. As of June, MetaMask had about 30 million monthly active users, many with multiple wallet addresses. I personally have several myself. Since launching in 2016, if they reward historic activity, that spreads the pool thin. Plus, Lubin said the airdrop aims for decentralization, meaning broader distribution over concentrated payouts. Dedek predicts over 100 million eligible addresses, leading to average rewards of just $10 to $20 per wallet. Compared to Uniswap's airdrop to 250,000 wallets, this could be the widest in crypto history, but not the most generous. Let's dig into the stats. MetaMask claims over 100 million users worldwide, but calculations suggest the airdrop might underwhelm. Assuming a $3 billion fully diluted valuation, that's the total value if all tokens were out there, and filtering out inactive accounts, one estimate lands at around 70 million active users. If each has about 5 wallets on average, that's 350 million addresses sharing the pie, equaling roughly $8.50 per wallet. Another post joked, 99.9% of users never use swaps. But there are 9.8 million unique swap users. Enjoy your $10 brothers. Hilarious. If rewards target swap activity, most might get nothing, while active swappers could see more, but still modest amounts. MetaMask isn't just about MASK. Leaked GitHub code shows they're adding in-wallet perpetuals trading powered by Hyperliquid. Perpetuals are contracts letting you bet on price moves without expiration, and this integration means depositing USDC stablecoins, accessing a Perps tab, and trading without leaving your wallet. If this rolls out at Token 2049, it could bring centralized exchange vibes to decentralized finance, or DeFi, where you control your assets. Also their mindshare, how much people are talking about them, tops charts at 26% on Kaido's pre-token generation event Arena, far ahead of others like OpenSea at 5%. Polymarket bettors initially spiked odds of a 2025 MetaMask token launch to 65%, but they've dropped to 39%. This reflects uncertainty. Lubin says it's coming soon, but details are scarce. As a MetaMask user myself, with Phantom as my backup, I see real value in their security and features, trusted by millions for nearly a decade. In the end, MASK might not deliver generational wealth, but it highlights MetaMask's push toward broader adoption and decentralization. Focus on using tools that build your crypto journey safely. If this helped you, hit the like button, drop a comment on your wallet experiences, and subscribe for more daily insights. Check my previous videos, links on screen. Let's navigate crypto together wisely. See you tomorrow.